Yes, sir. We back. One Stop Drip Shop unboxing in the Bando. You know what I mean? Bringing to you things I like to do. You feel me? But yeah, I mean, I guess y'all see what we got going on right here. You know this ain't no ladies channel, so you're probably wondering what the fuck Hefe got in here from Hermès. Like, so without further ado, you know what I'm saying? Let me bring to you what I gotta bring to you. But hold on. You know how we like to do. Let me give you a couple seconds to guess what the fuck I'm about to pull out this joint. You know I'm not pulling no rabbit out the bag, but it might be made out of rabbit. You never know. You feel what I'm saying? So let me give y'all a little count of 3 type 5s, but fuck all the wait, man. I was gonna do it, man. Got no time to wait, nigga. Time is money, man. Big Hefe, what could this be, man? What could you be bringing to Drip Shop on this one, man? What could it be? Alright, man, fuck the wait. Let's see what we got, man. Fuck the wait. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Man, maybe I should have did this before I started the vid, right? I like to get y'all niggas shit authentic, man. I like to get y'all shit as soon as, you feel what I'm saying? What could this be, bro? It's small. It's 4 minutes. What could this be, bro? Fly niggas know, man. Fly niggas already know. Fly niggas already know, man. But let me bring it to you, though. Ooh. Yes, sir. So you say Hefe. You buy a lot of trip, you fly nigga, you do your thing. Why this basic card holder? This shit look basic. What's so dope about this, man? I mean, if you sneaky, you could already see it's a little details going on. You feel me? Well, let me tell you how I ended up buying this. Let me tell you what made the sale for me. My homie told me this leather and silk, my boy. You feel me? Leather and silk. Different type of echelon right here, upper echelon. You feel me? The aesthetics on this is different, my boy. Soft ass leather, soften the baby ass, you feel what I'm saying? Then you got this smooth ass silk. This is just stunt purposes. Nobody sees this, bro. Nobody gets to see this, but you feel what I'm saying? You know. And then Drip Shop know, you feel me? Steppers know now, drippers know now. But yeah, my boy. Something calm, you know what I mean? Throw this on the table, bow. You got your American Express in there, your Discover, you know what I mean? Your little MasterCard, your Visa, however you coming, you feel what I'm saying? Shit like that, bro. I told y'all niggas, man. Accessories where it's at. There's some fly nigga shit, like, she get it, you know what I mean? She happen to see this, she like, oh yeah, this nigga different, man. I'm dealing with a different type of savage, you feel what I'm saying? You got Hermès, Cardholder, silk on the inside. What's up with this nigga, man? You feel me? How smooth that is, nigga. This the shit that's gonna get you the box right here. Subtle shit, but don't play yourself, you know what I mean? Keep it cool, nigga. Don't be rushing it, trying to brag. Keep it cool, bro. Just be subtle. Pull it out. Pay for the whatever you paying for. She gonna see it. She gonna see something. She gonna wanna know what it is, nigga. She gonna see that right and wanna know what it is. And she cop her man. She know them 3 lines, nigga. She know what it's heading for. You feel what I'm saying? So you ain't gotta do too much, say too much, you know what I mean? Happens to come up, it come up, nigga. Just like with all this fly shit we do, we don't speak on it. Why we don't speak on it? Because we should be doing it. You feel what I'm saying? We should be doing it. And speaking on it, I mean, you new to it, you feel me? So I don't speak on this shit. I will bring it to you to unbox it. I'm about to unbox so much shit and bring it to y'all today, man. Because I don't be doing it, man. I don't really give too much about it, but I like clothes, I like fly shit, so I'm gonna tap in with the niggas that's into this shit, you know what I mean? Build a little community around it, and we go from there, man. But One Stop Drip Shop, Let me know in the comments. Did I take a L on this? You know what I mean? It was probably like 420, 4 something. You know what I'm saying? Not too crazy, but yeah, it was one for like 700. But yeah, ain't had a silk on the inside, bro. This was 3 colors. You feel what I'm saying? It ain't had a silk, man. I went for the silk joint, plain Jane, but the silk on the inside. Just some shit motherfuckers don't have. You know what I mean? I got several card holders, Louis shit, Gucci shit, all that other shit, but this shit right here, matter of fact, just so y'all niggas know, I ain't capping. Is you know a nigga ain't capping. Alright. So, yeah, it don't stand out as much, but details, my boy, details. So once that drip shop unboxing in a Bando, play, I had to stay ahead, nigga. You heard? We about this shit, man.